Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I'm showing you in this one how to generate any skybox that you need for your game or your project. So we go into this website. Here we can set the prompt. So I'm gonna do green mountains, like at a distance, realistic, and I'm going with a realistic style. Hit generate and we'll start processing. Here it is the final result. You can see it's pretty nice. It's not that perfectly realistic, but it's like a style is realistic and it is really nice. I really like the lake, so I'm gonna download it. Here I am in Unity and I'm applying the Skybox, and it's really nice. It's looking really nice for my project. It works perfect. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.